In today's episode, we're making anabolic pineapple upside down cake. This cake is low in calories, high in protein, and will help you lose weight. Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of the Anabolic Foodie Show. And in this channel, we're going to show you how to lose weight by eating low calorie, high protein meals. And we're also going to be doing other people's anabolic recipes and basically be doing anything that has to do with fitness. So if you're into those type of videos, please accept my invitation to subscribe so you will be the first to be notified every time we'll bring out a new recipe. Alright, let's go. This is how any diet works, including the anabolic diet. And in order to lose the fat, all you have to do is be in a calorie deficit and eat enough protein so you won't lose muscle or maybe even build some muscle while losing the fat. And that is pretty much it, guys. Alright. Okay guys, as for ingredients, don't be scared of the ingredients. They could have oil, sugar, butter, or lard, or gluten, whatever. As long as you don't eat over your maintenance calories, no matter what it is, you're not gonna gain any weight. Alright guys, for example, if your maintenance calories is 3,000 calories a day with say 200 grams of protein, and one of my meals says 500 calories with 50 grams of protein, you could eat 5 of those meals a day. You're going to lose a lot of weight, you're going to hit your protein goal, and you're going to be eating good, man. Okay guys, in today's episode, we're helping you lose weight by eating low calorie pineapple upside down cake. Alright guys, let's get going. Okay guys, remember, first thing is first, get the full scale ready with the bowl. Alright, let's go. For our first ingredient, we're going to need 38 grams of vanilla whey protein. Remember guys, 38 grams. Alright, let's go. Remember guys, 38 grams, okay? For our next ingredient, we're going to need 25 grams of all-purpose flour. Remember guys, 25 grams, okay? Alright, let's go. Remember guys, 25 grams, okay? Alright. For our next ingredient, we're going to need 18 grams of coconut flour. Remember guys, 18 grams. Alright, let's go. Remember guys, 18 grams, okay? Oh shoot, that's too much. For our next ingredient, we're going to need 10 grams of sweetener. Alright guys, remember 10 grams. Alright, let's go. Remember guys, 10 grams, okay? For our next ingredient, we're going to need 12 grams of baking powder. Remember guys, 12 grams. Alright, let's go. Remember guys, 12 grams, okay? Alright. For our next ingredient, we're going to need 7 grams of vanilla pudding. Remember guys, 7 grams. Alright, let's go. Remember guys, 7 grams, okay? For our next ingredient, we're going to need a pinch of salt. Remember, a pinch of salt. Alright, let's go. Alright, good. For our next step, we're going to have to mix it, and then let's get to the next step. Alright, let's just keep mixing. It should look just like that when it's finished mixing. Alright, let's get to the next step. Alright, let's go. For our next ingredient, we're going to need 140 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt. Remember, 140 grams. Alright, let's go. Remember guys, 140 grams, okay? Alright. For our next ingredient, we're going to need 140 grams of egg whites. Remember, 140 grams. Alright, let's get to the next step. Remember guys, 140 grams, okay? For our next ingredient, we're going to need 50 grams of applesauce. No sugar added. Remember guys, 50 grams. Alright, let's go. Remember guys, 50 grams, okay? Alright, let's go. Okay guys, now we mix everything together, and make sure you mix it thoroughly. And okay, when we're done mixing, it should look like that. And let's get to the next step. Alright. Okay guys, we're going to need a 9-inch baking pan. Okay guys, let's get to the next step. Alright, let's go. Don't forget to oil spray it and so it won't stick. Alright, let's get to the next step. Alright, let's go. Just spray it, and alright, let's go. For our next ingredient, we're going to need 4 rings of pineapple. This one is about 140 grams for 4 rings. Yours might vary, but as long as you have 4 rings in there, this should be similar to the size. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, for our next step, get each ring and put it on the like a square. 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, for our next step, we're gonna need 4 maraschino cherries, and there's different calorie ones. 5 calories a piece is the lowest one I found. All right guys, let's go. Okay guys, we're just gonna put a cherry in the middle of each pineapple, okay? All right, let's get to the next step. Okay guys, for our next ingredient, we're gonna need 80 grams of Swerve brown sugar. Remember guys, 80 grams. All right, let's go. Okay, this is 80 grams already weighed out, and all you gotta do is put it on top of the pineapple and cover it up on each pineapple. It doesn't matter if it falls off a little bit. Just cover the pineapple. This is the best, I swear. Oh my God. For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 14 grams of I Can't Believe It's Not Butter, the light one. Remember guys, 14 grams. All right, let's go. Okay guys, this is about 14 grams of butter looks like, and well, I can't believe it's not butter. And we're gonna put this in the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds, okay, until it really dissolves. Okay, all right, let's go. Okay, it dissolved pretty good, and so we're just gonna sprinkle it on top of the pineapple, okay? Just a little bit on each side, okay? And then you drizzle it around the pan as well, but try to get mostly the pineapple, okay guys? All right, and there we goes. Okay guys, for the next step, we just get our batter and we pour it on top of the pineapple, and we should be fine. All right guys? All right, let's go. Okay guys, when we have it all covered, it should look similar to that. And don't forget to preheat the oven for 350 degrees. And this is gonna go in there for 30 minutes, okay guys? All right, so see you guys in 30 minutes. All right, let's. Just came out of the oven guys, and we're gonna let this bad boy cool down for 1 hour. Then we're gonna flip it. All right, see you guys in 1 hour. All right. Okay guys, it's been an hour. So let's flip this cake. We're gonna get a knife right now, and we have to cut around the edges so you know help it slide out and go all around. All right. Okay, I'm gonna get my cutting board guys. We're gonna put it on top of the cake pan. Get the cake pan and just flip it over and just tap it. Okay, and just lift it up. Okay guys, let's lift it up and look at that bad boy right there. Pineapple upside down cake. Oh my God, when you hear the macros on this bad boy, guys, it's taste test time. Let's try this bad boy out. I already cut it in 1/4, so let's see how good it is. Guys, look at this pineapple upside down cake. All right, let's cut it open. All right, let's see what's up. Look at that right there, guys. Look at that right there. Look at that. Cheers, guys. Man, it's sweet. This thing is good. This recipe is so delicious, guys. Make it for Thanksgiving. Give it to somebody. If you give this to somebody and you told them it was nothing like without a diet or something like that, or it wasn't like a diet, they would not even think anything of it. They'd be like, wow, this is a really good cake, guys. It's really delicious, guys. Try it out. All right. Guys, look at this. This is bomb ass cake. I can't believe this is low calories. It's gonna taste so good. It's gonna satisfy your sweet tooth, and you're gonna be happy on Thanksgiving. You're gonna lose weight. You're gonna build muscle, and you're gonna lose weight for Thanksgiving. Come on, guys. Look, guys, I got a little piece of pineapple right there. Look at the cake. Oh man, I'm gonna finish it. I usually don't finish everything. I just keep doing the show. But this recipe is so delicious. I'm probably gonna eat the whole cake, guys. No, I'm just playing. I'll eat at least the whole quarter. All right, guys, to the macros. Let me try one more, because this is delicious. This is delicious. Guys, this cake is to die for, and we got a winner chicken dinner. Just kidding, no more chicken dinners for me, guys. I'm replacing the chicken dinners with Anabolic pineapple upside down cake. All right. Okay, guys, to the macros. If you did it the same way that I did it, and you got all the same ingredients and everything, there's only 640 calories, 54 grams of protein, 13 grams of fat, 7 grams of fiber, and 77 grams of carbs. And those macros are not too chubby, if you ask me. Okay, guys, if you guys cut this cake in 8 pieces and you just ate one for some miracle, it's only going to be 80 calories a piece. But this is going to be like the potato chip. I bet you just won't be able to eat one. And if you just ate one, it's because you did it wrong. I guess you can have your cake and you can eat it too. You could actually eat 4 of these pineapple cakes and still lose weight. Alright, guys, please make this recipe. I know you love this recipe, but I know one thing that you like more than this recipe, and that's losing weight while eating pineapple upside down cake. Guys, comment below how much weight you guys started to lose by eating these recipes, and I'll write to everyone back. Alright, guys, these recipes do take a long time to make, and they're hard to figure out, and I have to pay for everything out of pocket. So if you do want to support the channel, I do have this recipe in my cookbook, and I'll put a link on the description box below for purchase. Guys, if you guys want to make more of my recipes, check out one of my other recipe videos. Alright, guys, remember, till next time, all the stars subscribe, share, like, and buy. Manny out.